tell me that it's not. You tell me this is not a bike setup. Liam Phillips has tried and tested this bike, probably the Treble XL, but with this gear on, with this stem, probably not the forks, because you've got carbon forks. Yeah, I couldn't manual this before, that's easy. Yeah, I was wondering what the pivot point from here to here wasn't right. I put a 60mm stem on, which is 8 more mil longer than my other stem. I've got more room on the bike just goes over the jump without me even trying. Yeah, tinker with your bike, man.